फुडें धुकल्लेलो तारांकीत प्रश्न श्री दिगंबर कामत.
Speaker sir, I may be permitted to ask postpone start LEQ number 1A.
Yes, please.
Speaker sir, वो प्रश्न असा ESI मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल इन मडगांव आणि हो प्रोजेक्ट वो फक्त मडगांवच्या दृश्टींतल्यान न्ही जाल्यार संपूर्ण दक्षिण गोंयाच्या दृश्टींतल्यान अत्यंत म्हत्वाचो बिकॉज इट टेक्स केअर ऑफ पीपल हू आर इन्शुअर्ड म्हणजे वर्कर्स लेबरर्स बी अशें. हांवें गेल्ले खेपेकी प्रश्न विचारिल्लो तेन्ना म्हाका रिप्लाय मेळिल्लो की एक्सपेक्टेड डेट ऑफ कंप्लिशन ऑगस्ट 2012. Today you have given me a reply which says that phase 2 is completed and phase 1 construction is expected to be completed by June 2013. My first question is, what did phase 2 consist of which has been completed? And what is phase 1 which is remaining to be completed? Can you just specify me what is been completed in phase 2?
Speaker sir, ESI hospital, which was 50 bedded, is upgraded to 100 bedded hospital. In phase 2, all OPDs and administrative blocks were there, such as radiology, ultrasound. And in phase 1, which is almost in urge of completion, which started in 2009, there is ward block, ICU, 4 OTs, laundry, laboratory, central sterilized supply department, kitchen and physiotherapy. These two things.
Are you sure that this will be completed by 2013?
Because sir, by 2013 the structural work should be complete, whereas the electrical work, I think it should take another 4 to 5 months for it to be operational.
Now, before this renovation work was started, how many patients were being treated in that hospital? And after complete जातकीर, you expect how many patients to be treated in this hospital? Can you roughly? I don't want exact figures.
Because sir, the total beneficiaries are 1,60,000, 1 lakh from the north, 60 from the south. Because I don't think I'll be able to tell you the exact figure how many.
I don't want exact. I want roughly. At the moment, 1,60,000.
At present, it's 1,60,000. And the north patients also are making the benefits in south hospital. So I won't be able to give you the exact figure, like how much it will be.
You have given me a reply here. The proposal for filling up posts of doctors has been submitted to the government, which is under consideration. The recruitment of nurses is under process. Now, have you formulated the requirement of doctors and nurses there? Because this is going to be one of the major hospitals in South Goa. दोतोर कितले नर्सीस कितल्यो हाजे तुम्ही at least you have done that preliminary work काय मागीर परत again there will be a problem.
Speaker sir, the advertisement for doctor has already been published. We require 27 medical doctors, whereas nurses we require 94.
Specialist.
In total 27 medical doctors.
Speaker sir, why I am asking this question? 1,60,000 जवळ पेशंट हॉस्पिटल कमिशन जावचे पयलीं नवें जावचे पयलीं ट्रिटमेंट घेतात थंय आनी चडशे सगळे इन्शुरन्साचे पेशंट्स आसतात ESI कनेक्टेड विथ ESI. अजुनूय थंय इमर्जन्सी जर कितें जाली जाल्यार एनी अदर पर्सन कॅन गो एंड गेट ट्रिटमेंट देर. म्हणजे समज कितें एक्सिडेंट जालो खंय आनी लागीं जालो, दे डोंट डिफरन्शिएट, दे एडमीट देम, दे ट्रीट देम ऑन इमर्जन्सी. पूण ते एडमीट करून घेना तांकां थंय. सो माय रिक्वेस्ट क्वेश्चन इज टील द हॉस्पिसियो इज फूल ऑफ पेशंट्स. आमचे मडगांवचे हॉस्पीस पळय आहा थंय सदांच प्रॉब्लेम जाता, लोक चड जाता. एक वेळा खाटीचेर 2 पेशंट घालतात, सकयल न्हिदचें पडटा बिकॉज दे कॅनॉट टेक अप द कॅपॅसिटी. सो नवें हॉस्पिटल जावपाक थोडो वेळ लागतलो. चीफ मिनिस्टर हॅज प्रॉमिस दॅट ही वील ट्राय टू सी दॅट द वर्क स्टार्ट्स. म्हजी एक रिक्वेस्ट ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टराक की हें हॉस्पिटल जाय पर्यंत जुनाक जर तुजें हें हॉस्पिटल स्टार्ट जालें can some of the patients can be treated there or admitted there till the new hospital starts, because this will give tremendous relief to the people, because this is again a multi-speciality hospital which is going to be commissioned. This is my question, this is my request. In fact, I feel that can give little help to the people. म्हणजे हॉस्पिसेचेर चड प्रेशर येता तें कमी जावपाक ताचो फायदो जातलो, पण ताजे भायर थंय सगळे फॅसिलिटीज आशिल्ले कारणान इमर्जन्सी तुमी ट्रीट करतातच. आतां कोणी एक्सिडेंट जालो, पेशंट थंय गेलो जाल्यार दे ट्रीट देम इमिजिएटली. My request is some patients can be even admitted there, because you are increasing the capacity in any case. Whether minister can think on these lines and do something.
You can suggest this, let the government take decision over this.
That is what I am suggesting.
Because the ESI Act provides provision of service to non-ESI patients by paying user charges, and emergency treatment is free.
Shri Rohan Khote.
स्पीकर सर, जशें ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरान म्हणलां, जवळ जवळ 1,60,000 बेनिफिशरीज आसा आनी मल्टी स्पेशलिटी येता सावथाक. आनी इफ यू लूक एट द थिंग, ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट 1 lakh, एज द मिनिस्टर सेज, इज फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ. नॉर्थाच्यान सावथाक वचप फॉर दीस मल्टी स्पेशलिटी ट्रिटमेंट समटायम्स बिकम्स अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर दीस पीपल. वील द गव्हर्मेंट कन्सिडर ओपनिंग अ similar type of a hospital for the people in the north? If so, when?
Speaker, sir, at present in North there are 5 dispensaries. One is in Panjam, Bicholi, Mapsa, Kolni and Kundai, where 2 more are still in the pipeline. Speaker, sir, there are provisions of setting up a hospital, a 100-bedded hospital, and I think it will be in his constituency in Purvar itself. It will take time, but we are planning to have a hospital.
Central government.
It's the central government proposal, sir.
Shri Naresh Sawai.
Who are the beneficiaries of this hospital?
All those who make avail of this facility, especially the industrial workers.
इंडस्ट्रियल वर्कर. प्रश्न इतल्याच खातीर विचारता की बिचोलीम इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटीन 1200 लोक काम करता, 1200 ते 1300, आणि त्याचे बेनिफिशरीज जवळ जवळ 18,000 आसा. हे कशें?
फॅमिली येता.
फॅमिली म्हणजे कितली? म्हणजे 1200 इंटू 5, 6, 7, 8.
Not only industrial estate. Because sir, it is not only industrial estate. Any industry which is falling in Bicholi, Nestle येतली भितर.
तेच विचारता हांव.
दुसरे स्टील रोलिंग मिल एक कितें
मायनिंगाचे लोक येता भितर काय म्हणून?
ना, मायनिंगाचे येना.
ओके.
Shri Vijay Sardesai.
स्पीकर सर, मिनिस्टरान सांगला की 1,60,000 बेनिफिशरीज हे ESI हॉस्पिटलाचे आसात म्हणून. आतां प्रेझेंटली कितले दोतोर आहात, कितले नर्सी आहात? Are you understaffed now or are you happy with what you have?
Because sir, there are in total 115 staff presently working, where doctors, IMOs are 9, specialists are 6, paramedical staff is 70, and administrative staff is 30. So I think we should.
Is it okay for you? Does it suffice or you will?
For this phase 2, I think it should be sufficient.
फुडलो प्रश्न, आजचो पयलो प्रश्न श्री ग्लेन तिकलो.
Speaker sir, may I be permitted to ask LQ number 1A? उत्तर printed प्रमाणे.
1A.
उत्तर printed. Speaker sir, as per the answer given to me, the Honorable Chief Minister, who is also Finance Minister, has stated that if the suggestion is found feasible in terms of the rules enforced, the same will be considered for implementation. I want to ask the Honorable Chief Minister, what will be the time frame? टायम फ्रेम घालना कारण तातूंत भितर पंचायतीच्या हातून ती टॅक्स घेवपाचो प्रोविजन करची पडटली. दोन भितर प्रश्न येतात. ही कल्पना बरी आसा. ही कल्पना खरें म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वॉटर बील हांच्या खातीरूय कशा पद्दतीन चालू करपाक येता ते आमी पळयता. पण पंचायती संदर्भात 2 विशय येतात. 3 वर्सां एडवान्स टॅक्स घेतलो जर तूं जाल्यार 3 वर्साचे फुडले पयशे आयजूच मोडून मेकळे जावंक. त्यामुळे प्रोविजन अशी करची पडटली की पयशे 3 वर्साचे जरी घेतले जाल्यार 2 वर्साचे पयशे वेगळ्या अकावंटांत वचून ट्रान्सफर जावन रावचे पडटले आनी थंयच्यान मागीर ते हाका येवचे पडटले. त्यामुळे तशें ताका लिगल कॉम्प्लिकेशन आनी प्रोसिजरल कॉम्प्लिकेशन आसा. हांव इतलेंच ताका सांगता की वर्स फायनान्शियल इयर हें सोंपच्या पयलीं ह्या संदर्भात सरकार निर्णय घेतली. ताका इट हॅज अ मल्टिपल फेसेट. इट इज नॉट ओन्ली टेकिंग डिसिजन फ्रॉम माय सायड. पंचायतीन मॉडिफिकेशन करचें पडटलें, अर्बन हातून मॉडिफिकेशन करचें पडटलें, इन्क्लुडींग सर्टन गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंट कॅन टेक दीस concept ahead. But there will have to be some provision to ensure that money which is paid for the next year does not go to the current expenditure. It will be, except where state is concerned, they are permitted, but in panchayat we will have to control that.
Speaker sir, उत्तर दिले ते very satisfactory, but what I want to ask the Honorable Chief Minister is that आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा that lot of people who are abroad or working in the Gulf, when they come down, they find it very difficult to pay the tax or water bills because it is sometimes the secretaries are not there in place or they're holding double charge or they're on leave, there's no substitute or vice versa. So they feel after paying that house tax or the other bill, they feel secured because in terms of law it can help in litigation. So I would like the Honorable Mr. Daditla Vigyan Tanche.
For NRI, I can also ask NRI department to work as a depository. There is one more solution to it. The NRI can levy some nominal fee and act as a depository for any foreign resident, NRI or a person of Goan origin who has a property here. And they can deposit that money. There are two basic aspects in the full issue. One is change in panchayat taxation. For example, if I ask them to pay it for 3 years, I am violating the basic concept that panchayat taxations are decided annually. बरोबर फाटल्या ना त्यामुळे तुमकांच सांग सगळ्या दर वर्साक टॅक्स ठरता. हें बेजीक प्री असम्पशन बिकम्स अ प्रॉब्लेमेटीक. सो द बेस्ट सोल्युशन टू इट is take it as an advance. Maybe NRI cell can act as a depository and with a instruction and can deposit the amount with the concerned panchayat on annual basis. ते करपाक येतले. ताका वर्कआउट करचें पडटलें. It's a complex situation, but I agree with the principle. What he is trying to do is actually what NRI cell should work on. Because people who are staying abroad has a headache of paying their taxes. ते 15 दीस येतात हांगा, म्हयनोभर येतात आनी फक्त तेंच काम करीत भोंवत असतात. So I will try to reduce their work. There are various mechanisms we will introduce.
फुडलो प्रश्न क्रमांक 3.
Sir, I may be permitted to ask star LAQ number 3A.
उत्तर छापील प्रमाणे.
स्पीकर सर, हो प्रश्न जो आसा तो ओल्ड गोवा मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्साच्या बाबतीन. एक 2004 ज्या वेळार ओल्ड गोवा एक्सपोजिशन आशिल्लें त्या वेळार स्वता आतां जे आमचे चीफ मिनिस्टर आसा तेच त्या वेळार चीफ मिनिस्टर आशिल्ले आनी तेंच्यांनी ह्या ओल्ड गोवा मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्साक विजीट केल्ली आनी तेंच्यांनीच हो प्रोजेक्ट आमी बांदुया असो प्रपोजल त्या वेळार दिल्लो आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमी GSIDC कडल्यान हो प्रोजेक्ट बांदचो ह्या खातीर प्रपोजल दिलें. GSIDCन अनेक हें काडल्या नंतर क्वेरीज काडल्या नंतर जागा ताब्यान जाय हे जाय अशे अनेक प्रश्न निर्माण जाले.